Want to quickly calculate percentages in Excel, like student marks or sales data? Let me show you the easiest way to do it. Step 1. Write the formula. In my sheet, column C has the marks obtained, and column D has the total marks. To calculate percentage, go to the first cell in the percentage column, type equals, then click on the marks cell, type a total marks cell, and click on the total marks cell. Press Enter. Step 2. Convert to percentage format. You'll see a decimal number. To turn it into a percentage, click on the percentage button in the toolbar. Now it's properly displayed as a percentage. Step 3. Apply to all students. Next, left-click and drag the small square at the bottom right corner of the first percentage cell. Drag it down to the last student, and Excel will calculate the percentage for everyone automatically. And that's how you calculate percentages in Excel in just a few steps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Excel tips.